Archives of Prasar Bharati presents the timeless treasure of Golden Era.
Amritsar, the city of the pool of nectar. Amritsar, sanctified with the blood of the martyrs of Jallianwala Bagh, where hundreds of innocent men, women and children became victims of the arrogance of the British Brigadier General Dyer. Amritsar, the metropolis of the Sikh people, like Sri Guru Nanak Dev Ji founding Kartarpur, Guru Angad Dev Ji lending glory to Khadur Sahib, Guru Amar Das Ji blessing Goindwal, the fourth Sikh Guru, Guru Ram Das Ji undertook the task of founding a new township called Guru Ka Chak, founded on a strip of land said to have been presented by the Emperor Akbar to the Guru's spouse, Bibi Bhani, as a wedding gift. It came in due course to be known as Amritsar, acquiring the hallowed name after the pool said to possess miraculous powers of healing the incurable maladies. Guru Arjan Dev, fifth Guru, lent the town a unique distinction by founding the Harmandir Sahib in the midst of the pool of nectar. Thus, the holy city started attracting unending batches of pilgrims throughout the year. Situated on the premises of the Harmandir Sahib, Akal Takht, the throne of the immortal, symbolized the temporal dimension of the Sikh faith. It was an extension of the cult of Miri, while the Harmandir stood for Piri, the spiritual aspect of the faith. The Akal Takht was the seat for administering justice, whereas all sorts of disputes were brought for adjudication before Guru Har Gobind Ji. It is said that a stage came when the people ceased to carry their complaints to the Mughal courts. Roused in 1606, the Akal Takht eminently met the need of the hour. It gave meaning to the Sikhs, addressing their gurus as Sacha Padshah. It is said that the construction of the Akal Takht was undertaken by Guru Har Gobind Ji, the sixth Sikh Guru, with his own hands, and he was assisted by Bhai Gurdas Ji alone. Bhai Gurdas Ji was appointed the first caretaker of the Akal Takht, as Bhai Buddha Ji was named the first custodian of the Harmandir Sahib. In due course, the Akal Takht was raised to a height of 12 feet and had a marble casing called Chandni. One of the privileged devotees would be in attendance with a whisk. The structure of the outfit was indeed the envy of the royalty of the day. Here, the Guru received gifts from devotees and distributed honors to the deserving, besides organizing sports activities. Later, Maharana Ranjit Singh had the 4 stories constructed. The uppermost floor and the golden dome were the contribution of Hari Singh Nalwa, one of the leading generals of the Maharaja, from his personal resources. The credit for revolving the Akal Takht as the rallying force of a harassed and homeless community after the death of Banda Singh Bahadur goes to Bhai Mani Singh Ji, who concretized the concept of the Sarbat Khalsa. He had, of course, the sanction of Guru Gobind Singh Ji, who had deputed him to assume charge of the Takht in 1699. The Akal Takht remained the pivotal center of all morchas or movements launched by the Sikh people for their rights. The Akal Takht is managed by a Jathedar with the help of the General Committee of the Shiromani Gurdwara Prabandhak Committee. The Akal Takht is the supreme authority in religious matters. A robe of honor or Shiropa is conferred at the Akal Takht, and it is highly prized distinctive. While singing of hymns from the Holy Granth is a routine at the Harmandir Sahib, ballads aimed at inspiring the devotees to heroic deeds was sung by professional dhadis at the Akal Takht. The Akal Takht, along with Harmandir Sahib, has had a checkered history, with Ahmed Shah Abdali destroying it in 1761. And in 1984, during Operation Blue Star, to flush out the terrorists from the premises of the Golden Temple. The buildings are, at times, destroyed, but the institution continues to thrive and prosper.
Even Maharaja Ranjit Singh bowed to it to get chastisement, and his official emblem bore the name of the Supreme God.
After Guru Arjan Dev Ji was tortured to death, Guru Har Gobind Ji was arrested and imprisoned at Gwalior. He was released in 1619. There was much rejoicing among the people. It is said that he arrived at Amritsar on Diwali, and he was welcomed with elaborate illuminations of the Harmandir, the practice of which still prevails. Of course, the daily kirtan is a daily routine, followed by the display of various relics of the Sikh Gurus. It includes their weapons and other articles of daily use. The practice of benediction with Amrit, as instituted by Guru Gobind Singh Ji, still prevails. Amrit is served to hundreds of seekers at the Akal Takht on Wednesdays and Sundays. It became an established practice for the Sarbat Khalsa to meet at the Akal Takht twice a year, on Baisakhi, immediately after the harvest of the Rabi crop, and on Diwali, following the harvest of the Kharif crop. In these assemblies, the Sikh people considered any issue that happened to engage the attention of the community.
ਸਾਹਿਬ ਮੇਰੀ ਪੀਰੀ ਦੇ ਮਾਲਕ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਸ੍ਰੀ ਗੁਰੂ ਹਰਗੋਬਿੰਦ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਜੀ ਮਹਾਰਾਜ ਦਾ ਮੇਰੀ ਦਾ ਹੈ। ਇਹ ਸ੍ਰੀ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਸੰਪਰਾਂ ਦਾ ਪੀਰੀ ਦਾ ਹੈ। ਸਾਹਿਬ ਸ੍ਰੀ ਗੁਰੂ ਹਰਗੋਬਿੰਦ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਜੀ ਮਹਾਰਾਜ ਨੇ ਪੀਰੀ ਅਤੇ ਪੀਰੀ ਦੇ ਦੋ ਸ੍ਰੀ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਪਹਿਨ ਕੇ ਸ੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਤਖ਼ਤ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਦੀ ਰਚਨਾ ਕੀਤੀ ਅਤੇ ਸੰਗਤਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਸ਼ਾਸਤਰਧਾਰੀ ਹੋਣ ਦੇ ਹੁਕਮਨਾਮੇ ਜਾਰੀ ਕੀਤੇ। ਇਹ ਸ੍ਰੀ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਪੰਥ ਦੇ ਵਾਦੀ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਸ੍ਰੀ ਗੁਰੂ ਗੋਬਿੰਦ ਸਿੰਘ ਜੀ ਮਹਾਰਾਜ ਦਾ ਹੈ।
The Guru Granth Sahib is respectfully carried in a palanquin amidst a procession chanting hymns for the final day's rest at the Kotha Sahib in the Akal Takht. The Holy Granth is similarly brought in for ceremonial rituals early in the morning for Harmandir Sahib. The visitors of Akal Takht have the added advantage of pilgrimage to Harmandir Sahib, popularly known as the Golden Temple. It was built under the direction and supervision of Guru Arjan Dev Ji, who, according to current tradition, got its foundation laid by a well-known Muslim divine, Mir Muhammad, better known as Hazrat Mian Mir of Lahore, on 28 December 1588. Religious service and significance apart, the architectural design and beauty of the Harmandir Sahib has its own attraction. Standing in the middle of the pool of nectar on a plinth of hard stone reached from the bank over a bridge, it provides a rare atmosphere of cool calmness and serenity. Its square shape and appropriate dimensions give it a perfect geometrical symmetry and compactness. The 4 doors opening on each side, signifying free access from all sides to each and every one, irrespective of caste and creed. These 4 gates lead the devotees inside the temple. The votaries here, unlike other temples, have to descend into temple premises for entering the inner sanctum. This is a symbolic gesture signifying humility and respect to God. The main building of Golden Temple is small compared to the other buildings. The size may be small, but the projection of the divine majesty, which the temple stands for, makes it really big. Of particular interest to common visitors as well as the connoisseurs of art is the beauty of its interior, including the intricate floral designs embossed on metal or inert stone, and paintings or filigree work on the walls and the ceilings, which are simply enchanting. In the southern side of the inner circle of Sri Harmandir Sahib lies the Har Ki Pauri. Here, the visitors can cup the water of the sacred pool into their hands and sprinkle it on their heads. Gurdwara Thada Sahib, north of Akal Takht Sahib, is where Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji sat and prayed. He was denied entrance inside the Harmandir Sahib by the custodians of the day. They were the descendants of Prithvi Chand.
जो जो जपै तिसकी गत होए साध संग पावे जन कोए जो जो जपै तिसकी गत होए साध संग पावे जन कोए जो जो जपै तिसकी गत होए
Gurdwara Lachi Bed Sahib, a small domed shrine near Darshani Deori, marks the site where Guru Arjan Dev Ji used to sit.
बीज मंत्र सर्ब को ज्ञान चौहर नाम है जप को नाम
Bed Baba Buddha Ji was another ber tree still existing on the northern banks of the Sarovar. Here, Baba Buddha Ji sat supervising the digging of the sacred pool. Gurdwara Dukh Bhanjan Beri. The name Dukh Bhanjani Beri means eradicator of sorrow. This relates to a legend that a leper was cured of his ulcerations by taking a bath at this point of the pond that existed here before it was dug up into the present Sarovar. A platform was constructed to commemorate the martyrdom of Baba Deep Singh, who fell fighting for the liberation of Amritsar from the Afghan invaders in 1757. Gurudwara Manji Sahib, where Guru Arjan Dev Ji used to hold his daily congregation. Gurudwara Baba Atal Sahib, a furlong southeast of Sri Harmandir Sahib, is a 9-story octagonal tower in memory of Guru Hargobind's 9-year-old son, Baba Atal Rai. The community kitchen, perhaps the largest in the world, is a living heritage of the Guru's precepts. Here, about 1,000 or more people sitting in a row can have their meal together at one go. The feast is for all. No one is barred. Here, caste, creed and religion always take a back seat. Langar comes as the Guru's grace, as a divine gift. The Akal Takht, the first of the 5 Takhts, venerated by the Sikh community, is as important a seat of Sikh polity today as it was back during the times of Guru Har Gobind Ji, the 6th Sikh Guru, who established it to support the weak and fight for injustice and fair play. It is a glorious symbol of Miri in the shadow of Piri, symbolized by Harmandir Sahib just a few steps away.
साध संग हर अमृत पीवे दुख भंजन तेरा नाम जी दुख भंजन तेरा नाम दुख भंजन